Beautiful people, welcome again to Wendy Styles. You know, the power is really in your hands, because here in Wendy Styles, we've got plenty of options, like different hairstyles for you to pick. So to our beautiful women out there, there's this kind of collections of the most beautiful short haircuts that will suit your face and your personal style. Take a good look on this hair. It's so beautiful. It's just so natural. One thing about this hair is a versatile haircut, and it's that kind of hairstyle that will make your face rejoice as much. Like, it's that kind of versatile face shape that is combined with a rich color skin that's perfect for exploring various styles and look. You can see how this haircut really complement this lady's face. And one thing with the style is that it's a haircut that will suit you. So with this kind of hairstyle, you can see how it's perfect for every beautiful black woman, and it will always add balance to the face shape. So one thing with the style is that kind of haircut that will give you that effortless vibe and make you feel relaxed, because this haircut works best for those that have oval face and round face, because one thing with the style, sometimes the pattern can also help to create those illusion, you know, of those symmetry. Like, you can see how versatile the haircut can be. It can be styled in different ways to always suit different occasion. This is another good haircut that is so beautiful and will take many years of your age. One thing with the style, apart from being versatile, is flattering. The haircut is perfect for beautiful women out there, and you can see how it feels short and sleek, and at the same time is also making the woman feel so youthful and feminine. So this is just a great way for adding those fullness and volume to your fine hair. So wearing this kind of haircut is just that great way to always bring attention to your eyes and your cheekbone. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you guys for staying up to Wendy Styles. I want to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Yeah. Of your